DJN TV.
I believe say President Buhari no dey sleep for security matter when dey gbege for inside Naija. Better sabi news country people, how una dey on top the time when una take dey look or so. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening sake of the time una take dey look us on top our ogbonge day to day tori update on top our correct TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una country brother. Na me wan yarn una the tori wey don shele for inside this time. The tori wey dey shele for this time go concern the before Presido wey im name be Presido Goodluck Jonathan, sake of say im don yarn say make collabo dey for the side of Presido Muhammadu Buhari, all the governors wey dey inside Naija, all the security ogas dem and all the people wey get correct no for on top security matter. The before Presido yarn say na correct collabo na im Naija need now to take scatterize the high tension when insecurity don cause for inside the country. Im come yarn im bitter mind for the way children when dem send go school and plenty Naija people come take the suffer for the hand of bandits when come dey kpaki dem sake of the ogiri when e be say dem dey collect. For the before Presido Jonathan mouth, I believe say if the governors for Naija do correct backman work for the Naija federal government, we go fit settlement the security matter for inside the country. I believe say the Presido himself no dey sleep and even the governors dem too no dey sleep for the security matter when dey shele for inside our country Naija. For so long the governors, the Presido and all the security people really collabo to work together for Naija go come fit jump pass this very time when e dey really dey ugly for the society to grow pass the challenge. The before Presido come yarn join say the when dey waka dey go for everywhere, say im get am for inside im mind to run and contest for inside the 2023 Presido vote, say na big lie na im that one be. Before Presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan yarn all this as im go do sorry out wakament to the governor of Delta State when im name be Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, sake of say im papa wey be Pa Okorie Okowa just waka go meet Baba Godeh for inside their kingdom come for the time when e be say e never too waka pass so. Im come see yarn join say im go continue to dey do every better work as far as say e be say na to serve God, Naija, Africa and humanity based on im power and im muscle. For im mouth again, sake of the when dey waka say I get mind for the 2023 Presido vote, that one na palm one joint talk sake of say e no carry water at all. I go continue to dey serve God, humanity, Africa and the world as my muscle and power go fit carry me reach with all the good mind and potentiality when e be say God take bless me. The before Presido come yarn Governor Ifeanyi Okowa make im hold im mind well sake of say im papa wey don waka go their kingdom come so, and come yarn join say make the governor and im brothers and sisters try to continue dey do the good things when e be say their papa do when e come give am correct ogbonge name for inside Naija. Im come see yarn join say make dem try make dem see how dem go fit beat that record when e be say their papa don make, and for the people for Naija to continue to dey remember am. For im own side, the governor of Delta State when im name be Governor Ifeanyi Okowa come thank the before Presido as he come join with the family for the wakament when e do sake of say their papa don go their kingdom come. The governor come yarn join say dem don already hold their mind sake of say dem know their papa wey don waka go their kingdom come so, say na person when e know and follow Jesus Christ wella before im come waka go meet Baba go there for thy kingdom come. Because the sake of say the way their papa take live in life and the way he still take train them from small pikin till they come grow come reach the one wey they come dey so say dem no go fit forget am like that and dem go continue to dey do the ogbonge things when e be say im do before im waka go for thy kingdom come. For the governor mouth, we thank you well well for the papa role wey you dey play for inside our own south area for inside naija, and I go use this opportunity take thank you wella for the time you take bring and still build the water university wey oyibo dey call maritime university for inside okonekoko. Sake of that thing wey you do come really bring peace for inside our state wey be delta state. Im come still use the opportunity take thank before presido Goodluck Jonathan say im na correct person wey be say e get correct mind, say na because of this one so na make God dey with am and God dey carry am go for higher place when e be say e dey go even after e don comot for naija as presido. Country people, una go remember say the before presido wey be before presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan hand over power to presido Muhammadu Buhari sake of say presido Muhammadu Buhari when he contest for the 2015 presido vote come win am that time, and since that time presido Buhari don become the presido of naija and na im still dey for this time so as the security matter come still dey gbege naija. For the side of before presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, im don waka around the world sake of say the different appointment when e be say they come dey knack im name put for around the world when go concern peace and vote matter. Sake of all this one so the before presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan na one person wey be say e come get big respect for inside naija and inside the whole world sake of say when some things wey no good dey shele na im dem dey always call make e come chook mouth put and arrange am the way e go take be. And that one follow say im come be person wey be say the whole people for the whole world come dey look as person when e be say e like peace well and e no dey like make e dey do gbege. Sake of this one, im respect for the whole world don come high wella to the time when e come be say people dey always dey call im name sotey one of im person when e first be backman for am come even name im own pikin when e born Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and na so im don take get plenty award for different place when e be say e don waka sake of the things when e don do. Country people, na here our tori as e take shele for break leg. We wan thank una for the time when e be say una take dey look us since on top our day-to-day tori update for on top our ogbonge TV station wey be DJM TV. We wan still use the opportunity take beg una say make una like, share and make una comment for this story when e be say we knack una for this time. We wan still beg una make una subscribe for our YouTube channel if una never still do so. Until next time when we go come una way again with ogbonge tori when go don dey shele for inside that time, my name still remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
Let's go.
DJ ATV.